Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM31 screen won't respond, you're not alone. This common issue can arise due to a faulty screen or internal connection problems. If left unattended, it may lead to further complications, making your Thermomix unusable. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a compatible replacement screen for the TM31. First, ensure that your device is unplugged to prevent any electrical hazards. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the device casing, starting at the corners and working your way around to avoid damaging the plastic. Once you have access to the internal components, locate the screen connection. This is usually found at the top of the main board. You may need to gently disconnect a couple of cables to gain better access. Be cautious at this point as these connections can be delicate. The faulty screen will often be attached with screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, taking care not to lose them. Now, gently lift the screen away from its mount. When replacing it, align the new screen carefully, ensuring that it fits snugly into place. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are securely fitted. Remember to apply gentle pressure to avoid any accidental damage to nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, carefully close the device casing, ensuring no wires are pinched. Finally, plug the Thermomix back in and turn it on to check if the screen responds. If everything is working correctly, congratulations on your successful repair. To help prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your device remains clean and dry, and avoid placing it near excessive heat or humidity. Regular maintenance checks can also help catch potential problems early on. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.